Drumroll, please.
Ooh, I'm not
and
against.
it is Shelly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. What?
What about me?
Is that enough?
Yeah.
You guys, what
For
about
sure.
me?
Yeah. So guys, okay,
Wait.
today we're doing a Nerf. We're going to do a Nerf battle royale, and if you get shot once, you're out.
Okay, but do not shoot me. Only the people subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Guys, 100,000. Hey guys,
100,000 likes, we'll unmask him and show his real face.
Oh,
And we're gonna do our
200,000.
200. Yeah, 200,000, bro. I bet you can make 300,000. If you do 300,000, we're gonna tell his whole name as well.
Do not disappoint me. All right. You guys are supposed to be so leave.
Okay, so
Bye.
no. The other rule is we can come in each other's room and take this camera so you can see what we are doing.
Yeah. You guys should go to your base now.
Yeah.
Okay, you can clap that. I don't want to care.
All right.
Hey, you can't steal it. You can't steal the Nerf gun. Hey, no. Hey, give it. All right, guys. Sorry, but go to your base.
Alright, man.
Hey, yo. Wait, I can say hi. Wait. Hey, this is my brother.
Yeah, you didn't.
Wait, Shannon, we have a deal. Shannon, we have a deal. Let's split it. Okay, can I have some, please?
What?
Just some.
Okay, fine.
Just give me some. No, I need more.
Oh
In
my
this
God,
game.
dude. You stole monkey. Bongo.
I told.
Thank you. This is enough.
Oh yeah, guys.
No. Okay, guys. So I'm in my base and I got everything ready. Alright, guys. I got all my stuff. I got my shield. Might be a little hard to hold the camera, but it's right here. Alright, guys. Let's start. Guys, I'm gonna have a disadvantage because I'm holding the camera. Okay, guys, so basically into the video. This might be long, but I want you guys to click that subscribe button because I really need to be safe. Or else.
2, 1.
Wait, guys, pause. I'm gonna place down the camera, okay?
Nah, bro. Nah. Wait. Let's show them our bases.
Yes, we are. We're he's going. All right.
Bro, I'm gonna shoot. So, guys, we'll be flipping the camera. Okay, so guys, this is me. This is my room. Please get out. You can see my room when you're done editing. Okay, so I have Shahir's favorite squeaky wiggy. Then I have a duck. I have both of these, but this broke. I broke it on accident. And then I have a shield, and then I have a gun. Shield. Oh yeah, that's Shoaib and Shahir's cousin. They made that. And then, guys, if they come, I'm going to hide in there. Guys, stay tuned. Okay, Shahir! Yeah? Your turn. Oh yeah, guys, actually get 2,000 likes because we want to see his face.
Alright, yeah, guys. If you want to see his face, just please like it.
Now, we'll change it to 200,000. Okay.
Yes. So, what's up, guys? It's me, man. You know, I'm gonna make a channel at 12 years old, Shining Glass. You know, I'll be a YouTuber, and this is what's right now happening. King Kong is on more than 95.
Oh yeah, Shahir, I need to tell you some news.
What is it?
Yo, open the door.
Did you little kid?
All right. So what is it?
So,
Are you done recording?
No.
if
I'm
we
still
get
doing
money, we're gonna split it all 3.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Money?
We're gonna get $10.
Money. Whoa. We're not.
Money.
I'm not even done sharing. So, ow. Bye. All right. So, basically, this is King Kong doing push-ups. He will deflect the ammo because there's guns, and we got my lightsaber. Why I don't need a gun? Well, see, I'm not good shooter. So, like, what's the point in a beautiful shield? Well, why? King Kong's deflect, and I don't have my sword, and this guy's heavy. This guy's gonna do push-ups. Now, someone's in my room, but someone already found out this spot. Okay, good thing. And yeah, so I'll be hiding somewhere. Here, don't know. Oh, this is my mom's room. Okay. So yeah, that's all. And yeah, I kind of think I might win because they have guns. What do I have? Oh, that thing. All right. Here you go, guys. This one's great.
So you're gonna start. No. Let him start. So you're gonna start. We can
I think
steal
the
it.
YouTuber can start.
We can.
Yeah, let me. Sure, give it.
Wait.
All right, guys.
We can
it's
steal
time.
the camera.
Guys, it's been past 5 minutes.
Yo.
Yo.
Come on, let's go.
All right, everybody. All right, guys, are you guys ready to see something?
Alright, I'm gonna start with the.
Wait, I have to put it. All right, let's start. Got away, guys, he got away. Bring it on. Oh, wait. Okay, ready? Got me.
Weapons, huh?
Oh, shoot.
Some weapons.
He's out. Oh, I have one more. All right, Shine and Children, you have the camera. Come on, bring it. No.
Bro, did you see that? Oh my god.
I got a frisbee.
Okay, let me put this here.
Oh, no.
Bro.
Where's he?
Oh, I got you here. Right in the nuts. Oh. I already got you. I got you again. Okay, guys, come back in, bro. No, Shahir has to try stealing. That's the only way. Go flip. Get out of my face. I'll shoot you to death. I'll kill you.
Where's the iPad?
I lost it. Yeah, I lost it. That's no. Fine, guys. I have to. Guys, I'm gonna steal the iPad next time.
Here, where is it? I got it. You guys still have it? Sure, come out right now. Sure. Place the camera. Sure, look what's right here.
Oh, okay.
Sure, let's control vital. Shion, come on. We have to show the viewers. Shion, we have to show the viewers I'm fighting. Oh, shoot.
Bring it on, bro. Watch me. Watch this fight.
I got you again. Hey, you're putting it the wrong way. They won't be able to see us shooting.
Oh, yeah.
Fight. Shoot.
Oh, really? Bring it on.
Don't steal it, camera. Huh?
See that?
No.
Oh, shit.
Whoa.
Oh, bro, I almost hit it.
Dude, what was that?
Fight, idiots.
Okay. Now is this fun thing. All right, everyone.
He's gonna get it. Sheeran, okay. Guys, my turn to have camera. Guys, pause. It's my turn to have camera. All right.
Let me get
Guys, wait, I need some more. Everybody, it's bullet time, all right? Get as much bullet as you can.
So, Battle Royale has applause.
All right,
And
guys.
for bullets.
Guys, we gotta flip the camera.
Guys, I just want to say, I am
was
so lucky to
intense.
be on this YouTube video.
Guys, if you don't know, he's never been on a YouTube video. All right, guys, let's get back into this video.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you, there's ammo. Oh, yes, let's go. Oh, Bongo. Yes.
Bro, I have never been, I have not been
Come
shot
on, let's
yet.
just continue.
Oh my god.
Hey, Sharon, you can't close the door. You have to be small, remember?
No,
You
but
can't do that.
No, 2.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay, guys, you haven't in my room yet. I'm reloading.
Oh, reloading.
Slim, I got you, dude.
Oh, thanks. I got you. No, I hit you.
Sharon, it's your turn to have the camera.
Wait, good.
I'm leaving it outside. You gotta show the fighting, okay?
So, guys, I am going to flip. Oh my god. So, I'll be showing this. The epic fight scene, but we'll be entering the counter. And then, guys, you guys are going to die for this.
You gotta play this. No. Flip the kid. Oh, all right, it's already good. All right, sure.
Oh my god! That almost hit. No, you almost hit me.
I lost the leg. He killed me. It's fine. Whoa. We need to work together. Okay.
Steal it. Guys, it's steal. No.
Yes. Oh my god.
I got it. So wait. I'm not going to turn now.
Oh yeah, I'm reloading. Oh, I need to reload too.
Alright. I don't need to reload.
Got you. No. Just shoot me. No, we're not doing that. Okay, now once Christian gets out.
Hey, viewers, what's up, man? I got bongo.
Here, I got you.
Look at him. It's a bongo. Look at him, man. It's shiny. Oh, what is it? Why are you smiling?
Oh, get ready. Go.
Alright.
I only got shot one time.
Oh, really? I've only got shot twice.
Strike. No.
I got you, man.
I only have 3 more lives left. Wait, I got you.
I have 4 lives.
I am
How
you,
much lives do you have?
Oh, it's my turn. Share. It's done.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys, it's
Wait,
my
how much?
turn.
How much?
I have 3.
Okay, how much lives do you have left?
I only have 2 lives.
Okay,
You
if
got
you,
one-
if
you
you
got
die
one.
once, if you die once,
No. I only died 2 times. You died 1. He died 3.
okay.
But
If you get
No,
killed
I
5
didn't
times,
feel anything. No.
if you get killed 5 times, you cannot play
Yo,
anymore.
it's filming.
You can't. You cannot play.
Okay, it's
anymore.
my turn.
No, I'm just telling. That wasn't.
Alright, everybody.
Okay, let me.
Look, I only died 2 times because I didn't feel anything.
I don't think so. Please, dude, I'm gonna heal you.
Dude, no, I don't know. I only have 2. I only have 3 lives, alright?
No, you only have like
No.
2 lives left.
No, I have 3.
Oh yeah.
You want me to
That means you lost 2.
Yeah, I
That's
did.
5. Okay. I lost 2 too.
Yeah, so
Actually,
I'm
team up.
Whoa, team up?
Okay, no.
We're not. Team up.
Come on. Oh no, I didn't get my shield.
Shayan.
No. Okay, here's my shield. My secret weapon.
No.
Shannon got you.
No, you didn't. Guys, comment down below if he got me.
I got you.
Now he got me. I have 3 more lives.
Yes. Shannon, it's your turn. Wait, Shannon. Here, have the camera. Shannon, it doesn't count. Shannon, it doesn't count. All right, everybody. Get as much ammo as you can. I'm gonna try to get some ammo.
Here, ammo.
Ammo? Thanks. Shannon, right now. Wait. So. I got you. Oh, no, I do not.
Ah! showing this wall. I accidentally forgot to flip it.
Wait, it's actually a good angle.
Bro, let's work together. Let's try taking him out.
Yo, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to do it.
Oh my god.
Hey, come on, chill. Come on.
Oh my God. We have a couple. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, as you can see,
I only have one more life.
wait, so you need to hide. Dude, I need
No, they took it.
I need to hide, bro. For dual duels. Hey, guys, that's for dual duels.
Why didn't you? Thank you.
Guys, I'll get the camera.
No, you didn't.
Oh, no, I did not.
You missed. You both got hurt.
We both got hurt, bro.
No. But no, I didn't get a shot. You missed. I didn't feel anything.
No,
How much you lost? Bro, I'm
No, I got shot 2 times. So you
Oh, wait, yeah.
have 3 more lives. You have 2 more lives. You have 3 more
I
lives.
have one more life.
Huh?
I have one more
Wait,
life.
hey, Sean, it's his turn. It's his turn.
Wait, guys, you're gonna go with Shahir. His real name is Shahir Muhammad Malik.
Whoa.
Hey, whoa.
Yo,
That's
guys.
too violent.
No, stop. No, No, dude, I'm holding it. So, guys, I only have one more life. In case you don't understand the lives, Cheyenne has three, and I have 2, and Shalette has 2, and I only have 1. So one more shot on me, and I literally do. So like if you say I'm out here and I'm out, that's gonna be probably for me. I was expecting the best. Get this camera.
Hey, Shia, I just want to see your base. Come on, please.
No.
Let's actually, please. Whoa.
No, I need you to leave, man.
This is cool.
Yeah, I need you to leave.
No, this is sick. Oh, no. We haven't started. Man. Yo. Whoa. We haven't even started. It's this angle, bro. Yo, guys, come here. That's where it's filming.
Yeah.
Wrong place, Sean. It's out here. Yeah. Well, where did you put my bag? Here. It's here. No, wait, where's my shield? Yo, somebody stole my shield. Check me this. Look, Sean stole my shield. It's here. What the flip? I didn't do it. Guys, Battle Royale starts in 3, 2. Wait. What happened? Yo, wait, it broke. It's still here. Ready? Everybody, get in your positions. In 3, 2, 1, begin. Begin right now. Boom. Hey, no, you can't do it.
You said that.
You didn't start. I never said. Cheyenne has to come out. Cheyenne, we're beginning. Whoa. I gotta use your hand.
Wait, the floor. Wait, the camera. Camera was knocked.
Okay, Cheyenne. You almost got me. You almost.
All right, I gotta do this. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to make the sacrifice.
Fine, Cheyenne. We're never gonna see you in this video again.
You only have 1.
I've been waiting to say bye-bye.
You only have 1 life.
And guys, comment, say good luck,
Oh,
Cheyenne. Hey, no.
I got you. Taking it.
Oh. Cheyenne, I got you. I got Cheyenne. Cheyenne, you have 3 more lives. You have to be smart.
I know. I have 2 more lives.
No, 3, because you lost the life. No, Cheyenne, we paused it because you have to go back to be smart. All right, Cheyenne. Everybody, me and Cheyenne, we both have 1 more life left.
guys, we're both alive.
Guys, I only have 2 more lives left. Bro,
Yo, if I kill, okay, guys, it's my turn to film. I'm gonna keep this right here. All right, everybody, get some ammo before we start.
Okay, wait a minute.
Guys, where did we start shooting? 'Cause there's not that much ammo. Can I borrow some ammo?
Yeah.
I'm only borrowing some.
I have a lot.
Guys, of course, that's the base one.
Hey!
No, just talking.
Alright, I want to talk. Give me a shield, bro.
Yo, guys, it's recording.
Bro, give me a shield.
what's up? In case you don't get bored, I'm here.
Perfect shield.
So basically,
Hey, here. I'm here to tell that the
no, you can't.
Give me a shield.
Oh, that's a shield. That's a shield.
Yeah, that's a shield, man.
Oh, give me.
So let me just hope for the best.
Ha! I got 2 shields.
Guess what? I don't have any shield.
What? I do. Oh, wait. You cheated. You can't do that. Wait.
No, that's shield.
Shion, you cannot have 2 shields. You cannot. That is unacceptable. Alright. If you didn't give it, then you would have lost one.
I already got a shield.
Yeah. No, it's okay. This is way bigger.
1,
Alright, go back in your base because I'm going to do a countdown.
3.
Okay. 2, 1, go. Go. I'm not lying.
Shut up. Let's work together and take him out.
No.
Please.
Shia.
Wait. You guys should work together and try taking me out.
Oh. Something. No. Ah.
He's trying to take me out.
Cover. He took you out?
No, he's trying to take me out.
Okay, Shion.
So we
So we need to work together, actually.
Yeah, we gotta work together. So
Shion,
guys,
you're losing your time.
that's my shield.
No. Let me just.
Okay, Shion, it's time. You're gonna start, okay?
You got your camera.
Wait.
The camera.
This is your camera. Erden, you need the camera now. Okay?
All right. You gotta work
Guys, you will be seeing me fight. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Wait.
No. Wait, Shion, I want to work with you. Hey, Shion, I'm working with you. I want to work with you, right? Let's see what.
Okay.
No. Psych.
Okay, guys, break. We need ammo.
So yeah, so we're gonna have to worry about each other, right?
Hey, Shion. Do you want to sudden death?
Guys,
Yeah, let's do sudden death. Everybody, it's time for the sudden death. Everybody has one live, okay? And Sharon,
ammo! Guys, it's ammo!
Just fill it.
everybody
Guys,
come to
ammo.
Sharon's base for ammo. All right, everybody, it's time for sudden death. Sure, you can have the camera now. Sudden death.
All right.
No, sure. You're pointing it to me. Oh, sure, flip it. All right, guys, here it is. It is the sudden death. Everybody's gonna be having one life. And no protection, no shields, nothing. Only
You can use your gun to reflect bullets.
Yeah.
you can only have one weapon.
Guys.
You can only have
After
one.
the video done, I'm not helping you guys clean.
Wait, what?
I'm just joking.
Oh, you're about to lose a life.
Yeah, lose.
Bro, what the? You can't do that.
Okay,
All
let me
right.
fix it. I broke my cousin's. Okay, see?
Okay, guys. So we can only use one. We can only use one protection. Okay. So
And you guys can team up now.
For example, you could use this. No team up. You can only. Oh, that's all. That's the only thing you could use. Shion, what do you want to use for your only one item?
This, of course.
No. You need like 2 items.
Yeah, this and that.
You want that?
No. That.
This one.
No. That.
Oh, that one.
No, that.
I think we should have this because you need a weapon. Because everybody has it. Oh, what?
I need to check if my mom's here.
Come on, over here. She would not be.
Okay, guys. Everybody, come on, Shion.
All right, guys. So this is the sudden death. This is
Your turn.
Wallah.
Everybody, no going back in your bases.
I need to go.
Everybody, no go back in your bases. You stay out. Sure, no, you cannot go in your base. Everybody, 3, 2.
King Kong. I know this. Huh? King Kong. King Kong is supposed to be this.
Oh, wait, pause.
Boom. Now I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Got King Kong, guys. He's been training for years. 2 months.
And you could use 2. You could use 2 items at once if you want.
Helicopter.
1, 2, 3, go. I got him.
No, you didn't. Just block.
I got
prizes.
Oh yeah.
I get to shoot you guys on the back 2 times.
No. Oh, but you can throw stuff at us. Okay.
Huh?
You can throw stuff at us.
Oh,
All right,
no.
guys. Are you ready to see us suffer? This is the thing that we deserve. Share someone to suffer. We're gonna have to get hit by a lot of items.
Yeah?
Your mom's coming in 10 minutes, Beta.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you should
Okay.
be able to see
Sharon.
the car.
Sharon, come on. You have to start filming
So
us.
10 minutes, okay, guys? Guys, don't bang the doors, okay?
Guys, I think we should clean up. Wait, no. I get to hit you
No,
guys
no,
2
no,
times.
punishment.
Guys, I'm gonna hit them on the back 2 times.
No, we step in Legos. We stay in Legos for a minute, right?
You guys,
Okay, everybody. I'm gonna stand in Legos for a minute.
Oh my
And so they have to stand in Legos like
Wait,
this.
Sharon, could you put the angle like that?
I have
Like
to go
leave it
like
like this?
And then I'm gonna hit them on the legs.
No. Yeah. Okay, ready?
Go.
Okay,
So
wait.
I'll get first.
Okay. No.
Yeah, you're first.
No, please. Oh.
Shahir, your turn.
Ow. Ooh. Guys, I'm in pain.
Shahir, your turn.
Alright.
Cameraman is about to.
Is I'm gonna light it up for this one.
What?
Ow. Eesh. Oh. Alright, guys, that's gonna end of today's video. And say bye-bye to our new fan. Alright. Peace.
Alright, we gotta clean this up.
Peace.
We gotta clean this up.
Okay, guys.
Peace.
Okay.
Bye.